Here's how to use camera and voice chat on Roblox mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. First, you need to go ahead and open your Roblox application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, you need to go ahead and join a game that lets you use camera to take pictures or change your view. Then after, go ahead and tap on these three lines that is between the Roblox icon and the chat box. Once you tap on that, tap on self view option. And here you will see your camera. Now, this lets you take pictures or change your view. You can also go ahead and take a screenshot. Some games have different camera controls, so check the game settings to learn how to use them. Now, in order to go ahead and turn on voice chat, open Roblox. Once you're in the home page, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, then go to settings. From this page, tap on privacy and content restrictions. Now go to communication section that you will find below the screen time. And here in this section, you will see the voice chat. Go ahead and tap on that and turn on the voice chat. But you must be 13 or older to use voice chat on Roblox. As my account is not 13 plus, I'm not able to do that. Now to use voice chat, you need to go ahead and join the game that has a voice chat and then look for the microphone icon on the screen and tap on the microphone icon to talk to your friends in the game. You can change the volume of the voice chat in the settings. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.